Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming hardware and getting to the right settings. Make sure the monitor and cable support 120Hz, otherwise you won't see the option. Once done, sign in with administrator privileges so changes stick. Now open System Settings and go to Display, or on Windows open Control Panel and click Display Adapter Properties. This gets you to the screen where refresh rate options live. Make sure to keep your current resolution in mind as you proceed. You're ready to change the refresh rate. First, select the target display if multiple monitors are connected so you don't alter the wrong screen. Next, set the recommended resolution. Refresh rates depend on resolution and cable bandwidth. Then open Advanced Display Settings or the Monitor tab in Adapter Properties. From the refresh rate drop-down, pick 120Hz and click Apply. If available, enable the monitor's high refresh mode in its on-screen menu. Note that some GPU you've applied 120Hz. Now verify it works. Run a motion test or a game and look for smoother motion and reduced blur. If the option was missing or unstable, update your GPU drivers and try the GPU Control app, NVIDIA Control Panel, or AMD Radeon settings to force 120Hz. If the screen goes black or the monitor shows no signal, wait for the system to auto-revert or press the cancel button within 15 seconds. Otherwise, boot safe mode to restore prior settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.